Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to wire a heavy-duty solenoid into your golf cart. You'll find that most heavy-duty solenoids are much bigger in size than the factory solenoid. We're doing this in a Club Car President, but you'll find it is pretty common to have to find a new mounting location for your heavy-duty solenoid. I've gone ahead and pre-drilled some holes where we're going to mount this, and I've also gone ahead and wired the solenoid up. Now you're going to want to wire the solenoid identically to how it once was from the factory. Now we also had to put a heavy-duty resistor on this solenoid. The factory resistor is just not big enough. You want to match it with a heavy-duty resistor. Our solenoid did not have a diode, so we do not need to run one here in our heavy-duty solenoid. If you do have a diode, I recommend getting a heavy-duty diode to put on your solenoid. Now we also had to change over from these spade connections to a ring terminal. Now that is pretty common on a lot of solenoids as well. Sometimes you also have to drill out your cabling to fit the lugs here on these heavy-duty solenoids. They are quite big. Well, I hope you found this install helpful. Take care, guys.